Today I am reviewing Beelink SER8 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, let's take a deep dive into the Beelink SER8 Mini PC, a compact yet extremely powerful machine that delivers the performance of a full-size desktop in a form factor small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Whether you're looking for a mini computer for business, creative work, education, or even light to mid-level gaming, the SER8 is designed to handle it all with ease. At the heart of the Beelink SER8 is the AMD Ryzen 780M processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.9 GHz. This CPU is built on the modern Zen 4 architecture, which means you're getting excellent single-core and multi-core performance. For anyone running heavy workloads like Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or AI-driven applications, the SER8 has the processing power to keep things smooth and efficient. On the gaming side, it can easily handle popular titles like Call of Duty, League of Legends, and even modern AAA games when optimized. Paired with the CPU is the AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics card, with 12 cores running at 2,600 MHz. This GPU is one of the strongest integrated solutions available today, supporting 4K at 120 Hz. So, whether you're editing high-resolution video, enjoying ultra-high-definition streaming, or gaming, you're getting crisp visuals and responsive performance without needing a bulky external graphics card. Now, let's talk memory and storage, because this is where the Beelink SER8 really shines. It comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz right out of the box. DDR5 memory is nearly 40% faster than older DDR4, which translates into smoother multitasking, faster response times, and improved productivity. And for storage, you're getting a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, which is blazing fast compared to traditional drives. Boot times, file transfers, and game load screens are all incredibly quick. Plus, the SER8 supports expansion up to a massive 8 TB, giving you more than enough room for large media libraries, games, and professional workloads. For display options, the SER8 supports triple screen setups thanks to HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB 4 connections. Running 3 monitors simultaneously allows for seamless multitasking. You can edit a video on one screen, keep reference material on the second, and monitor chat or emails on the third. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for creators, stock traders, and professionals who thrive on multitasking. Connectivity is another highlight of the SER8. It comes with Wi-Fi 6 support, providing faster, more reliable wireless connections. You also get Bluetooth 5.2, perfect for connecting modern peripherals like wireless headphones, keyboards, and mice. For wired connections, the inclusion of a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port ensures ultra-fast and stable networking, which is perfect for gamers or anyone working with large files across a network. Beelink has also put serious thought into cooling and design. The SER8 comes in a redesigned metal casing with upgraded air intake and heat dissipation holes. It uses advanced cooling technology with a steam chamber system to efficiently transfer heat away from the CPU. This allows the machine to stay cool even under heavy loads, while maintaining near-silent operation at just 32 decibels. It's small, quiet, and efficient, exactly what you want from a mini PC. As for ports, the Beelink SER8 doesn't cut corners. You get USB 4 with Thunderbolt 3 support, multiple USB 3.2 ports, USB 2.0 ports, DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, dual audio jacks, and of course the 2.5G LAN port. This wide variety ensures compatibility with virtually all your devices, from high-speed storage drives to 4K displays and more. The SER8 also supports auto power-on, PXE boot, and wake on LAN, making it a great fit not just for individuals, but also for business environments where remote management and continuous uptime are important. And since the unit is incredibly compact at just 5.3 by 5.3 by 1.76 inches, it's easy to place on any desk setup or even mount behind a monitor. Finally, Beelink offers lifetime technical support with 24/7 service, as well as certifications like FCC, CE, and ROSH. This gives buyers added confidence that they are getting a reliable machine backed by solid customer support. In summary, the Beelink SER8 Mini PC is a powerhouse in a small package. With its Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, Radeon 780M graphics, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe SSD, it can handle everything from office productivity and content creation to 4K multimedia and gaming. Add in its strong cooling system, rich connectivity, and triple 4K display support, and you've got one of the most versatile mini PCs available today. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and future-ready PC that doesn't compromise on performance, the Beelink SER8 should definitely be at the top of your list.